Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vegetable drawer cover glass in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new vegetable drawer cover glass. The vegetable drawer cover glass is located at the bottom of the fresh food compartment. It serves as a shelf and as a cover for the drawers. The main reason to replace it is if it breaks. To get to the part, I need to open the fresh food door. Next, we need to remove one of the drawers. Let's say we're going to pull out this one. Pull it out, lift up, and take out. Next, I'm going to reach in with my one hand, lift up on the glass, and then with using my right hand, I'm pulling the glass out. And now we can remove it. This is the old vegetable drawer cover glass next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, I'm going to install the new glass. I'm going to insert the front end into the groove in the support here. Push it in. And I'm going to lower the rear end. And now I'm going to install the vegetable drawer back in. Slide it into the rail and push it in. Next, we're going to remove the sticker. Unless you would like it to be on your glass, you're welcome. But I prefer to take it off. And now, when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.